guys, how are we doing? Welcome back to the 0 to 100k Forex funding challenge. Hopefully this week's going to be a good week. I've got something to show you guys. I got an email from True Forex Fund discussing the account and the update on the account, because obviously, as a lot of you will know, they've suspended a lot of people's accounts. So I'll show you that. But yeah, hopefully it'll be a good week. Hopefully be some good trades. Hopefully the accounts are back up and running. And yeah, if there's anything to document, I'll let you guys know. So yeah, as you guys will be able to see in a second, they sent me an email, relaunch in progress. And yeah, pretty much they're just saying how they are grateful for the patience and that they've been working hard to sort out this issues. I think they're going to C Trader now. But yeah, they've just, at least they're still in contact. They've been emailing us. I'm sure other people, if you're using True Forex Funds, would have received the same email. What they're saying, that they've got good news in the upcoming days. They're going to be relaunching with C Trader. So that's how we'll be executing our trades. The team have worked tirelessly to get this sorted. So just a standard email, but at least we're not going to lose this account, it doesn't seem, and we can get back to it relatively soon. So guys, it's Friday today. Very quiet week, which is actually quite lucky in the sense that we haven't been able to use the funded accounts, as a lot of you will know, because we've had problems with True Forex Funds and funding pips with their licensing. But now I got an email yesterday. I'll take you to the computer and to the screen and show you that we're now... They've sorted all these issues out. So we've got the 25k funding back with funding pips, and we're using Match Trader. It's a new way of executing trades. And then we're using C Trader for True Forex Funds. So I'll take you to the screens and show you that. But we've sorted that out now. So like I said, it's Friday today. So there are a few opportunities which I'll show you, but a lot of this could be coming into next week. So at least they're back up and running. We're back to doing the challenge. We can try and get this funding. But yeah, positive signs. We're back up and running, so let's go. See guys, this is C Trader. This is for the True Forex Funds 50k account. As you can see, we're in a bit of drawdown. If you've been watching the series before this, you know that I've took a few losses in a row. Natural drawdown happens, but we should be able to get out of this in the coming weeks or days, depending on if there's opportunities. But yeah, this is C Trader. It takes a little bit of getting used to, because I've been used to MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5. But at least they've sorted the issue, and now we're back trading on this. Obviously, it should be relatively... I haven't executed a position yet, a trade on this platform, but should be relatively easy buy, sell. Should be able to add stop losses and everything like that. So it's good to be back up and running on this. So this is this account, a 50k funding that we're doing with True Forex Funds. That's back up and running, so that's a positive sign. This is Match Trader. This is what we're going to be using for the 25k funding with funding pips. They've changed now from MetaTrader to this Match Trader. I've never heard of this. I heard of C Trader before, but I've never heard of this. But it should be good. The main positives, like I said, is the fact that we're back up and running. That's the main thing. We've got the pairs down here we can trade. It should be relatively easy. Again, new order. You can buy, sell each currency pair. So obviously I do my analysis on TradingView, so that's not a problem. This is just for executing trades. So I'm glad they're back up and running. It's good now. We've got the 25k funding we're doing with this and the 50k funding with True Forex Funds. So it makes the series interesting going into next week. You know, we're going to have... If I can pass this account, the road to 100k funding will be good, because we'll be at 75k already. But yeah, take each trade at a time, trade my plan. And yeah, I just want to update you, we're back up and running. It's a relief for a lot of people who paid for these funding and were out of action for a while, especially with True Forex Funds and funding pips going down. So I've not been able to trade these funded accounts. But now we're back. It's Friday, so there might not be too many trades this week, but next week there should be quite a few, and we can get back to trading this account. So yeah, all good. On watch today, guys. So we'll start with the continuation moves. So obviously the main pairs we're watching is AUD US dollar, AUD CAD. So we're looking for the continuation. These are all trending moves. This one's starting to move off the level we were looking to sell, but we didn't get an entry. We didn't pull back far enough. We've then got Euro US dollar and US dollar Singapore. So these are all what I'm looking for. It's Friday now. It's been a very quiet week, so everything's happening towards the end of this week. So we might get more opportunities next week if we don't get into the positions. So Monday could be a very busy day. Then we've got the pullback moves, main pullback moves, the ones that are overextended. Just looking for some kind of trend changes on these. Again, we've broken out on this, so this would be nice, but we're nearly at 12 o'clock on Friday. So do I want to be holding this over the weekend? If we get a perfect entry, potentially. But if we pull back to these levels, we could be looking for longs here. around this level to play just a quick pullback move. Again, the other ones are trending. These are pullback moves. We're going against, well, this one's sort of ranging, but we're overextended 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days. If this closes with a bullish engulfing, which it could change in 10 hours till this candle closes, then we'll look for an opportunity. So a lot of these will look probably into next week because it's been quite a quiet week. But yeah, that's the main watch list for today. So I'll let you know if we enter any positions. So how's everyone's week going? Is it going good? Obviously, it's good to be back up and running. Let me know in the comments down below if you've had any issues with your funded accounts. If you're back up and running, obviously True Forex funds and funding pips have had issues, which I've had. But if you've back up and running, or if you've still got issues, let me know in the comments down below. But yeah, main watch now, pound New Zealand dollar. As you can see, guys, pound New Zealand dollar has pull back to our area, has started going up. The reason why I haven't entered, couldn't get an entry, was purely down to risk reward. Because my entry, I don't set like orders. I wait for the close, or I wait for a break above a certain level. So my entry would have been, I wanted to come back to this area and bounce, which we have done, but I wanted to get in around about, it'd be a break above on this 5 minutes. So it'd be around about here, stop loss there, and then the target would be here, and it's giving me a 0.68. It's 0.63 risk reward. It's not. It's negative RR, which isn't good. If we got in and got an entry down here, then obviously that would have been nicer because we got a 2-to-1, even a 1-to-1. I'm happy to do, but the problem is the entry's up here, and we're getting negative risk reward. So again, I don't want to be taking trades where I'm getting negative RR. So it's come back to our area. It's bounced from that area, but we haven't got in. But I'm not concerned about that. We've got plenty of opportunities. It's now 20-4. Doesn't look like there'll be many opportunities for the rest of the day as it's a Friday. But yeah, we'll come back next week, and hopefully now we're back up and running on these funded accounts, we'll be able to trade our way and get these funded accounts and show everyone. So it's approaching 5 o'clock. Just got my hair cut. And I'm not going to take any more trades now for the rest of the week. It's probably going to be this week done. But yeah, updates. At least we've got the accounts back up and running. Hopefully next week we might have multiple episodes going out in the week because we've got lots of opportunities that look to be playing out next week. So stay tuned for the episodes next week. We could have 2, 3, depending on how many trades we take, or maybe just 1. It depends how busy we are. But yeah, I want to thank everyone for the support on the videos. I appreciate everyone. Thanks for the comments, the likes, and yeah, the support in general. If you want to see any more from me, check my Instagram out down below. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next week's episode. Should be good. So yeah, let's get it. See you next week.